On, Forrest, run.
Guess the magnesium's out.
Let's hope so.
That was pretty wicked, though, you know? That wasn't just a boom. That was...
Dude, that was amazing.
So I was like getting ready to come close. Whatever you hear.
Usually it's just a boom. I always put my hat down just in case.
Crosshairs in the brown. Yeah. It's in the brown. You know, you had the whole back there, you know.
Did you put it in the coals, Jerry?
Yeah. Finally, you know, took a shot because what I was thinking is if that son bitch got up and started walking like your direction, we'd never got a shot. There's just too much shit in there.
I said, "El, get ready."
I don't think it's going. What do you think, Jerry?
I think I'll let you go change it out if you don't want to.
Two more.
You want to go check on it?
If you want to check on it, feel free.
Yeah, because if it would have
Well,
walked away,
that's the max. Three
there's just too much
thumps is the max before.
Maybe Earl didn't want to get his Camaro shot up.
Or sometimes they don't even get up and run.
The dud.
If you like that, it probably came from that side and laid down like that.
That's why I have my hat down. Now